Hi Aquarius, good morning. This is your channel messages for the 24th of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby. Aquarius, oh my god, I thought that was it. I thought YouTube let me go like how Rose let go Jack. Oh my god, them strike me yesterday. They didn't even strike me for something I said with my loose mouth. They strike me because of the thumbnail of the Gemini lovers card. Apparently it had breasts and penis in it. And apparently, them strike me for it. I'm almost shut down my account for a week because of that. You think Netflix gave up when they were showing Mike Tyson's bottom to the boxers to leave them out of freedom? No, they weren't, okay? Nevertheless, I'm very, very happy that the appeal went through and I am here. And, you know, things like these always teaches us lessons, you understand? They're trying to make YouTube a safe community, even though I see people bouncing ass 24/7 on YouTube. So I don't know why would they strike me for Gemini thumbnail? Nevertheless, I just want to say a big thank you to the technicians who made it possible for me to come back here today. And I want you to know that I have learned, I had read, I click it and it bring me to our next link and it tell me all the things that I'm supposed to do and not supposed to do on YouTube. So I will try my best to abide by these things. So in honor of giving me back my account, this is a song for Mr. New. I've been to many social media sites, man, and I'm telling you, this shit right here, crazy, man. I say, what am I gonna do the last night? Should I go to Instagram? Should I go to X? I did not know. But let me tell you what I'm going to do. Baby, come wine, pan your thing, come give me that. Jump up on my body like an animal. Dance make you feel like carnival. I'ma lock me down like criminal. One touch feeling like 1 million. People just watch me like a cinema. Wine pan your thing like carnival. Yeah, thank you. Please test it up, bro. Oh, please believe me. Tested, approved, and trusted. Tested, approved, and in the middle of all of the social media networks in this world. But come pa YouTube for read some terror. Neil just strike me, but me appeal it. Neil, come wine your waistline. Read terror, tell me your fear. I'll give it to you, I'll read for you. Give you your future predictions. YouTube, wine from your seat, come give me that. Jump up on my body like an animal. Dance make you feel like, what me say? I'ma lock YouTube like criminal. One feeling like 1 million. People like I watch me like a cinema. One chassis, the way you move and alright, okay, alright. So anyways, I'm really happy because I love YouTube. I love YouTube. I'm sorry. Now I say, you say sorry, sorry. It's okay, YouTube. Okay, anyways, Aquarius, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm trying something a little different today, so I hope you adapt to it. Being that you are the air sign, even though you throw water, so I'm pretty sure you can adapt to this, okay? So we're doing your pick a card reading, Aquarius, so we're gonna pick a card. So you have 3 options. Whichever card you pick is the deck selection that I'll take up. So you can choose card number 1, card number 2, or card number 3, Aquarius. If you need to pause it and take a moment, do so. So if you chose card number 1, Aquarius, it is the 3 of Cups. So I'm getting celebration. You're going out, you're celebrating right now. Maybe you just got a new promotion. Maybe something different changed in your life. But I'm getting you around friends and family who supports you and who just wants to be there for you in this time. Now, the second card of that deck is the King of Swords. So you might also be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius man. Now this man may be a little bit, I'm not going to say he's a party pooper, but I'm getting he may want you to take time off from going out and hanging out with friends. So like he would be like, why don't you take up a book? You keep taking up the bottle, okay? So there might be something significant about this man. We have the Ace of Wands. Okay, so it could be that this man wants you to party with him. I'm getting every time him call or text you, you're out with friends. He want you to party with him. I'm assuming he wants you to party with him so you can get drunk so that perhaps sexual coitus will take place on that day. Another card we have is a Four of Cups. I'm getting you don't want to be intimate. You don't even want to have sex. I'm getting it's all about you, your friends, female company, and woman empowerment. I'm getting you notice that anytime men come around, it's for sexual purposes, nothing else, okay? We have a Judgment card. So I'm getting that you're going to explain this gentleman. I'm getting you don't want to drink unless it's with your friends. You don't want to go out unless it's with your friends. Because I'm getting something is going to turn sexual. And even though the guy is like, oh, you party with your friends so much. Yeah. Would you rather me party with you and sleep with you? I didn't think so. This final card is a Three of Swords. So I'm getting, yeah, he's going to be pretty disappointed. Someone's going to feel pretty hurt that you rejected them. It could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But I'm getting right now your focus is on celebrating. I'm sorry, I'm so hot. Your focus is on celebrating and really and truly just building a great relationship and communicating betterly with your friends. Now, if you have selected card number 2, this is yours. We have the Sun card coming out, which is great, very happy, very exciting. This is all skies are clear, everything is possible. This is the card of yes also. It could also be something about a pregnancy, okay? You could just find out you're pregnant, or I'm getting you just had a baby. Now your second card from that deck is the Lovers card. Yeah, this is the card they banned me over. They banned me over this card, so I'm not going to show it too close up, and I'll blur it out in my thumbnails, okay? So we have the Lovers card. I'm getting someone wants to make a baby with you, or someone's like, it's time for us to make a child together. What are you waiting on? What are you waiting for? I want a curly hair baby. All right, okay, so yeah, the Lovers card. So I'm getting this person's talking about having a baby now, or somebody wants to settle down and have a baby. You, come on, when is that baby clock ticking in? When is that baby fever getting on? Sweetie, I'll never have baby fever. I worked as a pharmacy technician for 5 years. I'm the one who dispensed the acetaminophen, ibuprofen, and other things, you understand? So there's no fever here. I'll make sure I'll reduce that fever with a leave. Okay, we have the Two of Pentacles. So you're saying to yourself, this is the first time a man is showing you attention. This is the first time you ever heard a man talking about he wants a child from you, and you're like, oh, me getting you're wondering. I mean, if I said no, I'm gonna break up with him, and then I'm gonna probably search for another guy who want a child with. And if I say yes, it does risk me getting trapped. Okay, we have the Devil card, so I'm getting They might ban me over the Devil card. They did not ban me over Capricorn thumbnail, but they banned me over Gemini thumbnail. They banned the thumbnail with the Garden of Eden. I am showing you how with the day, but if I talk about God, my record don't get played, huh? They banned me over this. They didn't ban the Devil, they banned this one. This is the Garden of Eden. Anyways, yes, I'm getting that is what is going to hook you to this relationship. This is what this person wants to do to you. Could be a Gemini. I'm getting air sign Gemini or Capricorn. We have Gemini, Capricorn, Leo here. I'm getting this is what the air sign wants to do to you. Basically, the more you get pregnant, so them can bind you. Another card out is a Nine of Wands. We're getting a Sagittarius is trying to warn you, and we have a Six of Pentacles. So I'm getting somebody will get you pregnant and then leave you. Them going to leave it, them going to say, oh, we need for work, you have a baby now, we need for work, but them cheating on you at work. Me getting a Sagittarius is trying to warn you, or a Sagittarius is trying to get in contact with you. But for some reason, somebody want you to be very, very distracted with this Gemini, with this Capricorn, or them want you have a baby before the Sagittarius come back in the picture. Because me getting Sagittarius a search for you. You have selected card number 3. You have the Sun card also. So this is great, all right? So when it comes on to the Sun card, it's happiness again. It could be a child. Now, being that there's a Sun card came out 2 times in the same reading, there could be something about twins, baby boys. All right. Your second card is we got the King of Pentacles. Okay, so we got a Capricorn, Virgo, or Taurus man. No, he could be the father of this child, or I'm getting this Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo man is so happy to see you again. We have the Six of Cups. Someone hasn't seen you in a long time. They want to talk to you. Maybe something has changed for them. They have kids now. But me getting somebody want to talk to you, catch up with you, maybe somebody even want to help you, but they want to have a conversation with you to know exactly what kind of help you need and how they can be of service to you. Your another card, oh, is a Page of Pentacles. Now you could be talking about going back to school or something about a training opportunity. This Capricorn is like, I'm going to send you back to school, I'm going to pay for this for it. I'm going to pay for this for you, graduate. If this is not a pregnancy, then we're getting, yeah, you go back to school. The Capricorn is like, I'll pay for it for you. We have the Nine of Cups. That's something you always wanted. I feel like the Capricorn feel like it's a win-win after you finish. They have to guide you or mentor you anyway. So when you finish school, chances are you're going to work for them or you're going to work alongside them. We're getting something about apprenticeship, or the Capricorn is like, I'll fund it out of my pocket. Your last card is the Queen of Swords. I'm sorry. Queen of Wands is your last card. Now the Capricorn may be attached to a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman. This might be a married man. If it's not a married man, or me getting him have a child with this woman. Me getting, nevertheless, I guess you're the guy he's with. You're the girl. You're the girl he's with when he is not in the care of the Queen of Wands. I don't know if them's together or what's happening, but me getting somebody want to invest in you, but them have a girlfriend already. I don't know if them projecting that by the time you graduate, things will fall through with them and them girlfriends and them can just come to you. But me getting someone's already attached to a woman, them already help out a woman, potentially with a baby. But me getting somebody want to send you back to school, they feel like it's a good investment for you. Let's see what your overall message is, and we'll end it here, Aquarius. We have Handler. We have the Chariot, which is Cancer energy, or you could be dealing with the police. We have the Devil card, Capricorn is here. We have Go Outside, and we have I have to take these secrets to the grave. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.